Welcome back to BA Media. We're here to help you navigate the world of Facebook ads in 2023. With over 2.9 billion active users, Facebook ads offer a powerful platform to reach your audience target and drive successful marketing strategies. In this dynamic landscape, we'll provide you with valuable tips to maximize your Facebook ads, from precise audience targeting to strategic campaign optimization. Whether you're looking to build brand awareness, drive traffic, or boost conversions, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Facebook ads for your business. Cost wise, Facebook ads are affordable compared to other platforms like Google Ads. They are priced based on CPC or cost per click, making them a cost effective choice for advertisers. To assist you in planning your campaigns and staying on track, there's a helpful resources in the description below. Here are some valuable tips to maximize your Facebook ads in 2023. Take advantage of the lower average cost per click or CPC on Facebook ads compared to platforms like Google Ads. Use the precise targeting capabilities offered by Meta to reach your desired audience based on interests, behaviors, demographics, and past interactions. These tips will help you make the most of your Facebook ads and achieve better results for your advertising efforts. Two important targeting options for Facebook ads are interest targeting and behavioral targeting. Interest targeting allows you to reach users interested in topics related to your brand, while behavioral targeting focuses on users' past behavior on Facebook to find those more likely to be interested in your offerings. Lookalike targeting on Facebook allows you to reach users similar to your existing customers. It expands your reach and connects you with a potential customer who are likely to be interested in your brand. Facebook ad also help you reach audiences with no or low intent, broadening your reach beyond active searchers targeted by platforms like Google Ads. Let's explore the difference between Google Ads and Facebook ads when it comes to audience intent. When you search for something specific on Google like green boots, you'll see ads that directly match your search query. These ads target users with high intent because they are actively looking for that specific product. The likelihood of making a sale is higher in this scenario. On the other hand, Facebook ads take a different approach. They don't solely rely on users' active intent. Instead, they use a clever strategy to help people discover things they didn't even know they wanted or they needed. It's like they implanted the idea in this audience mind. Unlike Google, where users have the active search for a product or services to find relevant ads, Facebook ads can capture the attention of users who are casually scrolling through their feeds. You may not be actively looking for a specific item, but if you come across an ad for a boot company, for example, and it aligns with your general interest, you might take note of that company and remember it when you're actually in the market to buy boots. In essence, Facebook ads have the power to spark interest and create brand awareness, even when users are not actively seeking a particular product or service. It's about planting the seed and nurturing the potential customer's interest until they are ready to make a purchase. When you're mindlessly scrolling through your feed, a relevant or standout Facebook ad has the potential to capture your attention and lead to active browsing, click throughs, site research, and ultimately purchases. This is why Facebook ads are a worthwhile investment, especially if you're testing out campaigns, building brand awareness, or aiming to drive traffic to your websites. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, collection ads, instant experience ads, event ads, messengers ads, story ads, and augmented reality ads. Each format serves a specific purpose to choose the one that aligns with objectives and business nature. When running Facebook ads, consider your ad objectives. Facebook algorithm delivers ads to users most likely to take the desired action. Align your object with your campaign goals to achieve satisfactory results. Facebook Ad Manager interface has been updated to outcome-driven ad experiences, simplifying objectives into awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. Choose an objective that reflects your target marketing funnel stage and desired outcome. It's important to be strategic and consider these factors when planning your Facebook advertising campaign to maximize their effectiveness. When choosing your objective for Facebook ads, you can follow a similar approach as before, with top of funnel objectives appearing at the top of the list and bottom of funnel objectives further down. It's important to pay attention to the optimization option available in the ad set. For instance, if you select the traffic objectives, you can further optimize it for either click links or landing page views. The difference lies in the potential outcome. The first option may result a higher click-through rate, but visitor may not engage much with your page, while the second option may have a lower CTR but higher interaction and engagement. If you choose an objective that supports Instagram when creating your ad, Instagram placement will be included automatically. Running ads on both Facebook and Instagram can be beneficial since ads that perform well on Facebook tends to do well on Instagram too. Additionally, when user base on each platforms differs, so may discover new audiences by expanding to Instagram. Just keep in mind that you might need to adjust your creative to fit Instagram's specification. To make your ad stand out, consider seeking options from others. Share your ad options with someone, preferably someone with good taste, and ask them which ads stood out and were memorable. If an ad leaves a lasting impression on them, it's likely to do the same with your target audience. You can also gather feedback from colleagues on the copy and design of your ads. Another approach is to create a structured process by using metrics and relevant scales when asking questions about the appeal of the ad. This can help you qualify responses and understand the majority opinion. If you have demographic data about the people you ask, you can gain insight in how different demographics perceive the ads. For example, if Gen Z individuals on your team love one ad but Gen X individuals don't, it indicates that it might be something polarizing in the ad, such as terminology, humor, or tone. Based on this feedback, you can make adjustments to make your ad more exclusive if desired. If you need further assistance with Facebook, feel free to check out the free Facebook checklist provided in the description below. Once your ads are live, monitoring and analyzing metrics is crucial. Although Facebook Analytics was discontinued, Facebook still provides built-in analytics option. Alternatively, you can take a more detailed approach to audience targeting and match your ads specifically to those who are most likely to be interested. Pre-testing is a useful method to gather feedback and understand how your ads resonate with a small sample of the population before going live. When it comes to your call to action, it's important to carefully consider your desired outcome and focus on a single CTA for each ad. Using multiple CTA in one ad can confuse your audience and lead to inaction rather than driving a specific desired action. Ads Manager is a preferred choice for delving into various metrics. Key metrics to focus on include reach, like number of people who viewed your ad, impressions, number of times your ad appeared, relevant score, how relevant Facebook perceive your ad to be, the cost per result, the average cost per desired outcome like clicks or conversion. These metrics give you insight into the performance of your campaign. Additionally, calculating your cost of customer acquisition helps evaluate the effectiveness of your campaign by dividing your overall ad spent by the number of customer leads generated. To optimize your campaign, various tactics can be employed, such as ad scheduling, bid optimization, and retargeting strategies. Ad scheduling allow you to specify specific days and times for your ads to run, maximizing your ad spend when your audience is most likely to engage. Campaign budget optimization specifies budget allocation by assigning a budget for the entire campaign, allowing Meta to distribute the budget across ad set. However, it's important to caution with CBO if your campaign includes ad set with different audience sizes to avoid overspending on large ad set and neglecting smaller ones. A/B testing different ad formats is beneficial to combat ad fatigue and sustain audience engagement. Ad Manager provides an A/B testing feature that allow you to test multiple creatives and identify the most effective version. By diversifying your ads formats, you can capture and maintain your audience attention over time. Remember to download the Facebook advertising checklist provided in the description for further guidance and utilize the available resources. If you found this video helpful and resourceful, please click the like button and subscribe. And thank you so much for your time for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.